What the bloody hell was that noise? Someone at my phone again? Oh, I bet I got a virus. I knew I shouldn't have clicked that link that said beautiful girls in my area want to see me.
No, Grandad, it's that security alert from the government.
The government? Oh, they're hacking our phones again. They're trying to steal my data. They want to see my browsing history, don't they? Well, there's nothing good on there. They don't need to see that.
They're testing it on everyone's phones today in case of like emergencies like flooding.
Flooding? In England? We'll just hear about it on the news. What's the point?
Did you not hear about it on social media? Like everyone posted it to their stories.
Well, how was I meant to know? I haven't got Insta, Twitter or Snap Talk and all those stupid things you youngsters use all the time.